Good afternoon, everyone. You are welcome to my page, Active Global Venture. Uh, this morning, I want to take us through some explanation about the differences between the big gas iron and the small LPG gas iron. As you can see, I have both the two samples here. So, once again, this product is a great invention from India, and without any iota of doubt, it has been helping a lot of laundry men, laundry professionals in Nigeria. As I said in one of my videos, the product got to Nigeria 2021, and ever since then, I personally have sold more than hundreds of it, more than 200 of it. So it has gone viral. The product has gone really viral. We have, as at present, we have two models in Nigeria. We have the big size, which is 5.5 kg weight, and the small size, which is 2.6 kg weight. Although the manufacturer specifically made this small one for tailors, for all those that are into tailoring, while this big one is specifically made for those that are into laundry and cleaning services. So what is the difference? How did they work? This big one is very convenient to use, though it's very heavy as well. It's 5.5 kg weight. It's very heavy. Likewise, it is easy to use. When you are using this big one, you will be able to cover a lot of space on your clothes compared to this small one. Look at the surface of each one. When you are using this one, you'll be able to cover a lot of space in a very short period of time compared to this one. You'll be able to cover a lot of space. So with this very one, you have to spend per kg. It's going to work between 18 to 30 hours. 1 kg will work between 18 to 30 hours. But for the small one, it is between 25 to 45 to 35 hours minimum. 25 to 35 hours. Presently, this one is sold for 78,000, while this small one is sold for 71,000. We can bill it to you anywhere in Nigeria. It depends on what you want. If you want to come down to our office, we have an affiliate marketer in Lagos, we have in Osun State, and we are based in Ogun State, Juota, Ogun State. So for you to get your product, just have a simple things to do. You make your payment. After you make your payment, we have it in stock. This is the small size. We also have the big size. After you make your payment, we process your order and we take it to pack. We send this to you within 24 hours. You get your product, depends on your location. If you are in around North, Maiduguri, Kano, it might take 2 days. Sometimes it might take 3 days. It depends on how fast the motor is. So that's that about this LPG gas iron. Let me now talk about the accessories of each one. Like this big size, the accessories, you just have to do some little things. Just to do some little things about the accessory. So as I was saying, as regards the accessories, we have this controller. This controller is for this big size. It can never work for this small size because it is specifically made for the big size. For the small size, we have this. This one cannot, it can work with this one, but it's specifically made for this. But for me, I used to recommend another options. If you watch any of my video that I've done previously, you will see what I'm trying to talk about. So that's that about the controller. And as regards the valve, this valve is for the big size, while this valve is for the small size. This valve is a single hose valve. It can burst with long usage. This one can burst, but with this one is like an everlasting, except when you are, while you are using it, you allow it to touch this exhaust, this place. That's when it can only melt. Like, let me give you some examples. If you see this place, you see some marks there. It's because we allow it to touch here. This place is always very, very hot. So that's the only thing about this one. It's always everlasting. It's always everlasting. So that's that about the accessories. They both have accessories. And when you make your payments, we are not giving out cylinders. You buy your own separate cylinders. And for the two irons, we only use either 3 kg cylinders or 6 kg cylinders. If you use 12 kg cylinders, it won't work. It won't work. So except you use 3 or 6 kg cylinders. And another thing I would like to explain is why you are using it. Sometimes if you watch one, I have a clip. There's a clip I made about how to fix the controllers. When you are using it for like 2, 3, 4 weeks, sometimes you might be experiencing some changes, some difficulties like this place is producing flames or is producing fires. The only thing you need to do is just to untie this knot and reservice it. Reservice in the sense